No shot. I couldn't hit him.
He came in through the fucking player spot, so I was like, oh, that's definitely a player. Lion? Shit.
Another lion, really?
No, you got the cassette tape.
I mean, that's almost as much as a lion.
No, it's not. What?
You mean nuts? What is that key? Well,
Pretty sure that key sucks.
SMP?
No, that's
yeah, I
the
don't.
fucking, that's the long garage. It's really expensive.
No, it's not.
I'm
It's
sure that's like the medical thing.
Yeah, SMP. The long garage is BST.
I'm gonna get out of this raid, and this key's gonna be fucking 3 mil, and all of you are gonna be like,
It's not.
It might be worth a lot, but I'm just saying it's not the long garage. The long garage is RBST.
yeah, like,
I remember having that key and the room being dog shit.
RBST?
No, the key he got. Oh my
Man,
god, he
fuck
got the
off.
graphics card.
What did you just get now?
outta here,
Graphics card.
Jesus.
Oh my god. Okay.
2 of them?
Let's go!
We should kill him out of principle.
Oh my god. Dude, this scav just blacked mine.
Homie out here looting instead of getting his scav kills. That's all I'm saying.